Today we're going to wash the brushes. I'm going to show you the process. It's really simple. This is probably going to be like my shortest video ever, but I want to show you what I use and how I wash my brushes, just in case it might help someone. So let's get into it. So to wash my brushes I use this Sigma mat. I just stick it to my sink and it has different sides that you can use depending on the brush. It has sides for face brushes, for eye brushes as well. Here I'm washing my contour brush and I'm just using a bar soap. If you have an antibacterial one, it's even better. The mat also has a refiner side that you can use. I admit that I'm not using that all the time, but I did in this video just to show you that you can do that. Here I'm washing an eye brush and you can see I'm using the eye side, and I sometimes even wash two brushes at once just to make the process faster. And that is everything. I just lay them on a paper towel and let them dry overnight. And that is it for today's video. Really simple process. I've been doing it for years now. Before using the Sigma mat, I used to use something really small that I bought from AliExpress. It was something that you can keep on your fingers and just rub your brush against it. It doesn't compare with this Sigma mat because I feel like maybe the material, I feel like it's more flexible on the Sigma mat and it's just easier and cleans better than what I had previously. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found it useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!